This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and manage gesture control on this device. In the beginning, take the action pod, power it on, and while in the camera preview, swipe downwards from the top edge of your display. Here, go to the second page, look for this icon, tap on it, and here is the gesture control. Now you can switch it on or off by using this toggle, and once enabled, you can learn what gestures are available and what gestures you can use, of which there are two precisely. So the palm gesture to start or stop recording, as well as the V sign to take a picture. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.